And when we were deciding how do we integrate what has happened historically in South Africa with what we do in South Africa at the University of Johannesburg, we came up with the name Moses Kotane.
We refer to Moses Kotane as the chief architect of our struggle. I'm going to try and talk to that and why do we call him that. For academia and academic research, the key question remains, if we are to be like Kotane, what are the contemporary challenges in South Africa today?
The aim of the annual Moses Kotane Memorial Lectures is to assure that the name and legacy of Isitwalandwe Seaparankwe Moses Kotane lives forever in the hearts and minds of people everywhere.
And please learn from the lecture and let us continue to advance our society.